Good morning. Oui, good morning. What did you come to buy? Dubai? Non, moi pas mon Dubai. Moi c'est femme de penalty natal. I didn't catch what you were saying. Anyway, why did you come here?
Ça fait ça petit là.
Okay, I want this. I want this that. What? Oh, this is coffee powder.
Meet here. Mettez là, meet here.
Okay, il va comprendre.
I take.
Do you take it?
Yes.
Okay. That's all?
All?
That's all?
Are you sure?
Ice cream finish.
Oh, no. I want this.
The sugar,
This.
the salt,
And this, that.
the plantains. How many bananas do you want?
Pour $20. Pour $20 banane. $20.
Okay. That's all now.
Yes.
Card or cash?
Cash.
$32.69.
1, 2, 3,
A few moments later.
14.
A few minutes later.
And 1, 2, 3,
A few moments later.
37, 38.
2,000 years later.
$42? Malgré tout comme ça, non? Ok, ça qui ça va acheter qui va être tout $42 ça. Ok, comme pas trop besoin de bagay, on peut besoin de banane, non? On va payer banane là seulement avec là.
What is this?
The money for the plantains. Nous demandons pour $20 banane. Soumettez plus dans sa chienne, pas responsable, madame.
Run.